Anong ginagawa mo?
Saan kaya yung wallet ko at saka yung aking salamin? Hinahanap ko siya ron. Saan mo nilagay? Nasaan na kaya yun nakalagay? Kasi sinisiksik ko yan dito sa ilalim.
Okay, magandang araw na naman po sa inyo mga ka-healthy. Nandito na naman po ang inyong abang lingkod, Santi Melchor. Ako po ay hindi doktor, ako po ay isang nurse practitioner dito sa state of Arizona. Disclaimer. Palagi po kayong magpatingin sa inyong mga doktor kung nasaan man po kayong lugar. Okay? So ang topic po natin ngayong araw na ito is about memory testing sa ating mga seniors. Diyan po sa mga nagkakaedad na ng konti, medyo concerned po ito dahil napakahalaga po na nagkakaroon tayo ng annual screening when it comes to our memory. So marami po tayong nagkakaroon na tinatawag na cognitive impairment. So it's very important po na we have to assess. Kailangan po i-check yan pag napansin po ng mga pamilya o kahit mismo po yung pasyente na nagkakaroon po ng pagiging makakalimutin at yung mga hindi po niya na, hindi niya po minsan, hindi mo na alam kung saan nilagay yung susi. Yung pala, umpisa na ito na tinatawag na sakit na dementia or Alzheimer. So, kailangan agapan po yan. So, ngayon, kung meron po tayong mga napapansin na mga ganyan sa ating mga pamilya, kailangan itawag na po agad sa ating mga doktor at nang maagapan po. Marami pong mga ginagamit na testing dito sa primary care doctors na tinatawag o yung tinatawag yung family medicine dyan sa Pilipinas or internal medicine. Meron pong tinatawag na yung MMSE or mini mental state testing exams. Meron din po yung mini cognitive testing. So yun po yung mga simpleng testing, pero kapag meron pong positive po yung mga yun at meron pong mababa po ang score, so kailangan pong magkaroon ng more comprehensive examinations. So yung pong mga comprehensive examinations na yun, kailangan ginagawa po yun sa referral po sa neurologist, yung mga eksperto po sa utak. Dahil, yun po, gaya na sabi ko, kailangan po ng further evaluation. Usually, it takes about an hour or so for the testing that they do. So, mas comprehensive, mas maraming tanong. Ito pong sa primary care, yung mga simpleng tanong lang po yan, yung mga kagaya ng bibigyan kayo ng mga 3 words and that you have to remember. And then, after that, you will draw a clock or you'll draw something, you'll do something to divert your attention, tapos tatanungin po yung mga words sa inyo. Ngayon, pag ang score nyo is less than mga 3 or below, yun po ay concern. So, ang scoring po nun, high nun is 5. At pagka less than 4 po kayo, pag 3, at pababa, then that's a big concern. Marami po yung mga nagkakaedad na hindi po nagagawa tong exams na to. So, tatandaan nyo po, memory is napakahalaga ng testing na to para po mapangalagaan, maagapan natin ang ating mga seniors dahil meron pong mga gamot na meron pong naibibigay para ma-prevent yung mabilis na pagkalat ng problema na to. Okay? So, ang malaking problema po yung Alzheimer's dementia type kasi progressive disease po yan. Minsan mabilis yan. So, kailangan po agapan. Okay? So, ngayon po, since ito pong pinag-usapan natin is about memory, makikita nyo po ang aking anak na si Chris Adrian at makikita nyo po kung paano niya katindi ang memory ng batang ito. Ewan ko kung paano niya ginagawa ito. So papakita po namin sa inyo mamaya yung tinatawag na Rubik's game. Yung Rubik's po, napakabilis nitong batang to. Nag-average ng less than 2 seconds sa kanyang 2x2. Sa 3x3, nakipag-compete po siya nung araw dito sa state of Arizona. I think he ranked during that time, rank number 4, number 5 sa state of Arizona. Okay? So, ngayon po hindi na po siya masyadong nagko-compete dahil medyo may edad na rin po, 18 years old na. Medyo nag-iiba na yung focus niya pero napakagaling pa rin po niya sa Rubik's Cube. So, abang-abang po kayo, panoorin niyo po ito. Okay? So, palaging tatandaan, magpatingin ng regular sa inyong mga doktor, annual exams, screening, napakahalaga po niyan. So, tatandaan niyo po yan palagi. Okay? Sige po, at ako'y babalik na sa aking trabaho. I'll see you later. Okay? Bye-bye.
Hello mga ka-healthy! So, gaya po ng nasabi ko sa inyo kanina, meron po tayong guest. At ang guest po natin ngayong araw na ito ay ang aking anak na si Chris Adrian. Hindi po siya si Jericho Rosales, Siya po si Chris Adrian. Okay, how old are you, son?
I'm 18.
18 years old? Okay, so what are you going to show to me today?
I'm gonna be solving 2x2 and 3x3 Rubik's cubes.
Rubik's Cube? Okay, so when did you started doing Rubik's Cube?
In 2016.
And what made you interested in doing the Rubik's Cube? What made you interested in Rubik's Cube?
When our tito came to our house, he brought a Rubik's cube.
Oh, Tito
And-
Renan?
No, well, yeah, a little bit of Tito Renan and Tito Gerald.
Oh, Tito Gerald too?
Yeah,
So
and then-
Tito Gerald and Tito Renan, thank you, because Adrian was, he became interested in playing the Rubik's Cube. Okay, so mga ka-healthy, tingnan nyo po kung gaano karami ang Rubik's Cube nitong aking anak. He used to play in the, Arizona Rubik's, what do you call that?
The cubing competition.
Cubing competition. So, yan po. So, yan. Sa haba ng panahon na nagro-Rubik's Cube na po siya since 2016, yan na po yung mga naipon niyang Rubik's Cube. So, okay, go ahead, Adrian, and show what you got. Does it take a lot of memorization on this one?
For some patterns, yeah, you have to memorize.
Okay.
Wait, I'm just gonna start scrambling.
Yeah, scramble them first.
Okay.
Or how about Mama will scramble it? Or Ate Kit. Let's have Ate Kit scramble it so people will think that you are, let's have somebody scramble it for you.
1.
Okay, so mga ka-healthy, magandang araw na naman po sa inyo. Isang araw na naman po ang ating, napag-usapan ngayong araw na ito, tungkol sa memory test. Remember, kanina po, sinabi ko sa inyo kanina ang kahalagahan ng annual screening or annual wellness testing, lalo na po sa memory, po. At kagaya nga po ngayon, tingnan nyo po, ito po, matinding concentration or memory po ang kailangan nyo pag kayo po ay naglalaro ng Rubik's Cube. So ito pong aking anak na si Chris Adrian ay magpapakita po sa atin kung paano po sinusolve ang Rubik's Cube. So hindi po madali ito at napakahirap po. At ngayon nga po, i-explain po sa atin ni Chris Adrian kung paano po niya gagawin ang pagsosolve nitong Rubik's Cube. Opo? At
Opo.
meron po akong timer dito. Okay.
Okay, I will be solving 2 3x3 Rubik's cubes and 6 2x2 Rubik's cubes, and it will be timed.
Okay, whenever you're ready, I will start it.
Okay,
Ready?
go.
Matinding concentration po, tsaka memory talaga to. Kailangan yung pag-iisip mo. Ano po? So pag nakakapansin po kayo na yung mga magulang nyo, yung mga lolo nyo, lola nyo, at medyo nagiging makakalimutin, so kailangan po ipatingin nyo po sa mga doktor. Dahil ang dementia po, it's a progressive disease. Kailangan po agapan yan para maagapan ang kanilang ang kanilang problema. Marami pong mga gamot na maaaring gamitin. Ano po? Kailangan nagpapatingin po tayo sa ating mga primary care doctor or your internal medicine doctor or family doctor dyan sa Pilipinas, ang tawag. So, kagaya po na sinasabi ko, disclaimer, hindi po ako doktor. Ako po yung nurse practitioner sa state ng Arizona po. So, kailangan magpatingin po kayo sa inyong mga doktor kung ano po ang mga problema. Ano po? Okay, yan. Ang galing, oh. Ilang seconds na ba tayo? Wow. 1 minute. Ilan na na-solve niya? Wow. Okay, last na yan?
Yep.
Wow. Okay, so ayan po. Na-solve niya po ang ilang piraso lahat yan. 6 na 2x2 at 2 3x3. Wow! Ang galing. Okay. Maraming salamat po mga ka-healthy at syempre, thank you son.
Yep.
Appreciate it. And what tip you can give them on the 2x2s? Let's say the 2x2. How do you solve that thing?
Well, first you start off by getting one side. So, usually I do the white side. So I get this side, and then after that I have to get the top, and it's always going to be yellow. So I get the top after doing something called an algorithm, which is a set of moves, while you also keep the other side the same.
That's interesting.
And then after that, I do one more algorithm to solve the rest of the cube, and then it's solved.
So how many algorithms are there?
For 2x2, I know about maybe 15 to 20, and that'll allow me to solve it within around 5 seconds each time, consistently.
And 3x3.
And then for 3x3, I probably know at least more than 70 algorithms, and they're all just in my head as muscle memory.
How
For
many?
each step, at least 70.
70?
Yeah.
70? Wow. And you
Yeah.
have to memorize all those?
Well, you don't have to, but if you memorize more, you can get faster and you can do steps faster, and that gets me to around like 12 or 13 seconds every time.
And what advice can you tell those kids that wants to start playing Rubik's Cube?
You usually would want to start on the 2x2 or a 3x3, and you can search up tutorials online on how to get started.
Okay. And this is, what is this? What size is this?
This one is a 7x7. It takes a while to solve.
And you fix that designs in there?
Yeah, you
that in
can
there?
put different designs on it
Wow.
with since it's a 7x7, and there's more spaces that you can make different designs.
And how about this? What do you call this one?
This one is a Megaminx, and it has
That's a lot
12
of
different
corners.
sides. And yeah, you solve it similar to a 3x3 actually.
How about the pyramid right there?
This one is called a Pyraminx,
A pyramid?
and yeah, it's like pyramid.
Uh-huh.
There's 4 sides to it, and it's also pretty friendly for beginners puzzle to start with.
And how about this one? It comes with different shapes and sizes.
Yeah, this one is similar to a 3x3, but instead it's what they call a shape mod, where all the pieces are different sizes, and instead of using colors to solve it,
Uh-huh.
you go by the size of each piece.
Oh, that's good. Beautiful. Okay, so thank you po. Maraming salamat, anak. Okay, and magpaalam ka na rin sa kanila. Say thank you to them.
Thank you.
Okay, maraming salamat mga ka-healthy sa susunod po nating muling video. Ano po, abang-abang lang po kayo at marami po tayong pi-feature. Susunod po nating pi-feature niyan, yung akin naman pong dalagang anak na si Chris Kit. At ang hilig naman po niyan ay computers. And she will show you, ewan ko kung kailangan ko ba sabihin ito, napapakamot ang ulo ko po. She will show you something that is very interesting, napaka-cute, napakagandang keyboard. So abang-abangan nyo rin po yan sa susunod. At makikita nyo rin po yung kanyang hilig. Okay?